Planning something special for Mother's Day but not sure how to style the table? Want your Mother's Day setup to feel elegant, warm, and thoughtfully British without looking overdone? Wondering how to mix florals, tableware, and soft colors to create a picture-perfect moment Mom will truly remember? Looking for decor ideas that feel meaningful, cozy, and Instagram-worthy all at once? Then stay right here, because today we're exploring Mother's Day UK-style table decor ideas that turn an ordinary meal into an unforgettable celebration of love. What defines a classic UK-style Mother's Day table decor? A UK-style Mother's Day table is all about understated elegance and warmth. Think soft pastels, floral accents, and natural textures rather than bold or flashy decor. Linen tablecloths, ceramic crockery, and fresh flowers help create a calm, refined atmosphere that feels heartfelt and timeless. How do I choose the right color palette for Mother's Day? Soft colors work best. Blush pinks, sage green, lavender, cream, or muted blues. These shades reflect springtime in the UK and feel gentle on the eyes. Keeping the palette limited to 2 or 3 tones helps the table look coordinated and elegant rather than busy. If this is helping you plan a beautiful Mother's Day, give this video a like and share it with someone who's celebrating too. What's the best tablecloth or runner choice for a UK look? Linen or cotton tablecloths in neutral shades are a classic UK favorite. If you prefer something lighter, a soft floral runner down the center of the table works beautifully. Natural fabrics instantly elevate the setting and give it that relaxed yet polished feel. How can florals be styled without overwhelming the table? Instead of one large bouquet, use small floral arrangements or single stems in glass vases. Seasonal flowers like tulips, daffodils, or roses feel fresh and meaningful. Keeping arrangements low ensures conversation flows easily across the table. Tell us in the comments, what flowers remind you most of your mom? What kind of tableware suits a Mother's Day brunch or lunch? Simple ceramic plates, pastel bowls, and classic teacups work perfectly. Mismatched china can also add charm if kept within a soft color family. The goal is comfort and elegance, not formality. How do I style napkins in a thoughtful way? Cloth napkins folded neatly or tied with twine and a small flower stem look beautiful. You can even add a handwritten name tag or a short message for Mom. These small details make the table feel deeply personal. For more seasonal table decor inspiration, explore our full playlist linked in the description. What centerpiece works best for a UK Mother's Day table? A subtle centerpiece like a floral tray, a teapot with flowers, or a candle arrangement works best. Avoid tall or bulky pieces. The centerpiece should enhance the table, not dominate it. How can candles be used safely and stylishly? Use slim taper candles or small tea lights in glass holders. Soft candlelight adds warmth and intimacy, especially for afternoon tea or evening meals. Neutral or pastel candle colors keep the look cohesive. Subscribe for more elegant, easy-to-recreate decor ideas that celebrate special moments beautifully. How do I create a cozy afternoon tea setup for Mother's Day? Layer cake stands with scones, pastries, and finger sandwiches. Add floral teacups, teaspoons, and a linen napkin beside each setting. This setup feels distinctly British and incredibly thoughtful. Can place settings make the table feel more special? Absolutely. Adding place cards, folded menus, or a small note at each setting makes Mom feel truly celebrated. Even a simple Happy Mother's Day card at her seat can be incredibly touching. If you love this style, you'll find more similar decor videos waiting for you in the description. How can I decorate on a budget without compromising style? Reuse what you already have: vases, jars, trays, and candles. Fresh greenery from the garden works just as beautifully as flowers. Thoughtful styling always matters more than expensive items. What's a simple way to add a personal touch to the table? Include framed photos, handwritten notes, or a small gift placed at Mom's seat. Personal touches instantly turn decor into a meaningful experience she'll remember long after the day ends. You can find similar decor pieces and table accessories featured here through the links in the description. How can lighting improve the overall table atmosphere? Natural daylight is perfect for brunch, while soft lamps or candles suit evening meals. Avoid harsh overhead lights. Gentle lighting creates a relaxed, welcoming environment that feels intimate and warm. Should the table decor match the rest of the room? Yes. Keeping the table in harmony with your room decor creates a polished look. Pull colors or textures from cushions, curtains, or wall art to tie everything together naturally. How do I keep the table elegant but not over-decorated? Less is always more. Choose a few key elements: flowers, linens, candles, and let them shine. A clutter-free table allows food, conversation, and emotion to take center stage. Mother's Day isn't about perfection. It's about presence, love, and intention. With soft colors, natural textures, gentle florals, and personal touches, your UK-style Mother's Day table can become a beautiful reflection of gratitude and care. Start simple, style thoughtfully, and create a moment Mom will truly cherish. If this video inspired you, please like it and share it with someone planning something special for Mother's Day. Comment below and tell us how you're celebrating Mother's Day this year. We'd love to hear your ideas. Explore our curated decor playlist in the description for more seasonal and elegant styling ideas. Subscribe to the channel for weekly home decor inspiration made simple and beautiful. Find more Mother's Day and table decor videos linked in the description. Shop the decor items featured in this video using the product links provided below.